Hello and welcome you back to my Nihachala Polytechnic video lecture classes. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In my previous videos, already we completed the introduction and transmission system. In today's videos, we will going to read about chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is braking system. So first of all, what is the definition of a brake? A brake is a mechanical device which inhibits motion, slowing or stopping a moving object or preventing its motion. That means in simple word, to stop or slow down a moving vehicle, we need a braking system. The rest of these articles is decided to various types of vehicles brakes. Most commonly brakes which are used in various automobiles are work under friction. That means in friction, what are the friction? The friction, the two things which are most responsible for a efficient braking system, that are the good friction in between the brake shoe with the brake lining, brake shoe with the brake drum, and in between the road tires with the road. That means a good brake means good friction in between the drum and the brake shoe. So here most commonly brakes used friction between two surfaces pressed together to convert the kinetic energy of the moving object into heat. Through other methods of energy conversion may be employed. For example, regenerative braking converts much of the energy to electrical energy which may be stored for later use. So after the definition, let's discuss the classification of braking system which are used in various automobiles. So first of all, the brakes are classified by application. That means by which it is operated. According to this, it having two types. One is foot operated brake and number 2 is hand operated brake. Here in the slide you can see that one is a foot operated brake and here it is hand operated brake. So then the next classification is basing upon by method of power employed. So as per the method of power employed, these are of 5 types. Number 1, mechanical brake. Number 2, hydraulic brake. Number 3, vacuum brake. Number 4, electrical brake. And the last one is your air brake. Then we go to by the method of operation. By the operation, it having 3 types. One is manual brake. Number 2 is servo brake. And number 3 is power operation brake. As per the by construction, it is having drum type braking system and another one is your disc type braking brake. So after the classification, let's go to the first braking system which is known as your mechanical brake, or in some books it is written as drum brake. So first of all, as per the definition, a drum brake is a brake in which the friction is caused by a set of shoes or pads that press against a rotating drum shaped part called a brake drum. The term drum brake usually means a brake in which shoes press on the inner surface of the drum. When shoes pressed on the outer of the drum, it is usually called a clasp. Where the drum is pinched between two shoes similar to a conventional disc brake, it is sometimes called a pinch drum brake. Such brakes are relatively rare. So here you can see in the mechanical brake, here you are having this one, as per the diagram, this one is your drum. The rotating device is called drum. As per the construction of this brake, here you can see this is the drum. There of this drum we are having a cam over here, and here we are having two brake shoe. This brake shoe in the brake shoe, top of this brake shoe, we are using either pasted or riveted by the brake linings. Okay, and these are both brake shoe are separated by a retracting spring over here, and here in the lower part of this we are having a anchor pin. So as per the working, when the driver, we are having 2 points. One, when the driver depress the pedal, and when the driver release the pedal. So when the driver depress this pedal, due to the rotation of this cam, the brake shoe are expanded towards the drum, so that the brake shoe along with the lining are expanded to having touch with the brake drum, and due to the touch, friction takes place, and due to that friction, the speed of the drum is slow down and finally stop, thereby applying the brake. Reversely, when the driver release the brake pedal, the cam rotate to its original position, and due to the force of that spring, the brake, both the brake shoe along with the brake lining are returned back to its original position, so providing a gap in between the brake lining and the brake drum, so thereby releasing the brakes. So depending upon the requirement of the mechanical brake, we are using, sometimes we are using one cam, just like in motorcycle, and if you are required more efficient braking system, or more, if you want to create more load, then in that case of brake anchor pin, we can also use another cam for it. So thank you. This is all about your mechanical brake. Thank you.